Sa Belgian Malinois. For the correct pronunciation. Belgian Malinois. Okay. Sir, palapitin po natin sa ating judge. Jess? Again, habang ini-inspect ang ating mga batikang mga judges, again, we would like to thank our sponsors, SM City Tarlac, Tarlac Kennel Club, U-Star Bake Shop, Asian Gold, AA, Photo Supply, Kids Perez and First, of course, Bawao, BGBA, Bustamante, Paluds and Party Needs, Morales, Glass and Aluminum, Main Drugstore, Palamor, Tarlac Solid Trading, Conference, Printing Services, and Miss Christy Aquiles. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga major sponsors. Okay, so again, winner by default. Again, winner natin si Akira from category of 30 to 18 months.